Hello everybody. So I have found a problem here using Parrot OS, and one of the problems that I had was in order to run OpenOffice, it will get stuck. So I will always try to open it with the router command, so LibreOffice, and I will run it and nothing will happen. So upon searching for a solution for it, I stumbled across the possibility that LibreOffice is not running with permissions. And there's another command that you can run, not only LibreOffice, you can also run SOffice. And with SOffice, what you can do is you can specify if you want to use Writer or Calc, Impress or Base or whatever you want. So here's the thing, because of the permission issues, one workaround that is super fast is to apply the sudo command at first, and then you can run it like that. Now here's the problem. Every time I try to, let's say for example, if I want to run calc on it, it problem is that I have to pretty much type everything like this every time I want to run calc, and then I'm off the file, which is a little bit cumbersome to do that, right? So maybe there is a better way that I can actually do this. So it's a very easy way. The best way that I can think about is to probably add the command with sudo included, either if it's for Writer or for Calc, in the bash RC file. So one way that you can do this, you can edit the bash RC file in your home directory, and over there I have some aliases that I like to include. So I added, as you can see, when you type Writer, it will just automatically enter the sudo SOffice Writer, and by just typing calc, it will execute a sudo SOffice calc. Of course, you have to put password after that, but if you do it within 10-15 minutes, you don't have to re-enter your password. So once that's done, you save and quit. You open a new terminal, or you can source the bash RC, and then after that it should work. So you type Writer, and this is command not found, probably because I did not open a new terminal. So we can put it like this, and now it should load it. So that's Writer. And the same thing with calc. Instead of typing the whole sudo SOffice and then calc, right, what you can do is just put calc, and there you go. So this is a very easy and fast way of doing, like you can do whole commands by using aliases. Just next time you try to do something like that, don't be afraid of using it. Thanks for watching.